Hi girls, it is time for the July Planner Perfect subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. Okay, we are back. I'm excited to share this one. July is a fun one. It's right smack dab in the middle of summer. And I'm excited to share with you what's in this box. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the journal and the planner subscription. I will link below how you can get in on this box. You have to be able to sign up by the 10th in order to get this one. So you will not be eligible for this July box, but it will be available in the store soon individually. But getting subscribed for a box by the 10th of each month will ensure you can get in on the next month's box. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to just kind of like move this out of the way a little bit. I'm going to start off with the washi, okay? And I'm dying. So here it is. It's got Betty at the beach. Okay, so I drew her, I do believe last summer. I painted her, but she's never made a huge debut in terms of, on her own. She's always been an accent piece. We've got stars, red, white, and blue. And then we've got my bomb pop, which I just think that it's appropriate, okay? And the bomb pop, this is the first time it's made its appearance on the washi. So fun, perfect for the 4th of July. So take all the paper off. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into the books. And here we go. What I've decided was that the bomb pop needed to make my watercolor bomb pop to make just a splashing debut for the 4th of July because it has not yet been on the covers of either a planner or journal. So I really wanted to make sure that it had its time, and this is the perfect just symbol of summer. This is also, by the way, in A5, okay? And then here is the back. Look at how cute. Ooh. So this is your planner, and this is in an A5 size. And vacation mode activated. So I gave Betty at the beach a fun, front and center right on top of the journal. So we'll be working in her all of July for journaling prompts. And you can see the back, how fun this is. This just looks so fun to just take with you anywhere, anyways. And I'm absolutely in love with how it turned out. And I hope you guys are too. It's just, I thought it really just revealed and represented summer. So let me go ahead and share with you the stickers. So we have some new things and some of my favorites coming back, as they always do. This girl is new. Can see her at the beach. I painted her in watercolor. She's holding a fun little drink. This one here, more 4th of July flowers. We've got Betty again, the umbrella. We've got some wine. How fun. And we've got Mr. Whale coming back. Ice cream, flamingos. We've got some cameras to represent vacation mode. You get 2 of these sheets. And then this one, I painted like a cherry limeade. I just thought that it looked just so summery. I've got the bomb pops back in here, some glasses, the 4th of July stuff, some more of the beach gal, and hello summer, and some watermelon since it represents so well. I feel that I've really captured so much over the years of summer, and it's always fun to bring them back during those months certain times of the month. So here for the tip-ins, we've got the new girl. Isn't it pretty? She really turned out super, super good. You get 2 of each. We brought back the whale for on here. He will make a debut on our journals or planners here soon. Where there's a whale, there's a way. Then we've got my watermelon where it says summertime. The flamingo, tropic like it's hot. Okay. Then we've got my pineapple. Be a pineapple, stand tall and wear a crown. Perfect for summer. And my fun cherry limeade that has summer on it. I thought it was really cute. And it just represents, again, so much. Girls, this is what's coming to your door real fast here, if you can believe it. The Planner Perfect journal and planner subscription box. See you next time.